I first experienced pain about 4 years ago. I noticed when I walked, I would have like a sharp pain in my hip. I'm very active, so the more I did, the more I noticed the pain sharpened. I love to walk my dog, I love to ski, and I love to swim, and that's my job. So I couldn't do any of it because of the pain. I met Dr. Martin and I was immediately struck by his caring and compassion. I had been seeing doctors for 4 years, and Dr. Martin saw what they never saw. To find out it was arthritis, after all those years of being in pain and knowing that it could be fixed, was a great relief. I'm so grateful that I had the surgery because everything that I couldn't do for the last 4 years, I now can do. I can walk, I can swim with no pain. Why bother going down to the city when you can have a surgery like this right where we live?